afraid یریدل. She is afraid of the dark. هغه د تیارې نه یریږي. She is afraid of the dark. agree اتفاق کول. I agree with your opinion. زه ستا د فکر سره اتفاق کوم. I agree with your opinion. angry قار. He is angry at his friend. هغه خپل ملګری ته قار دی. He is angry at his friend. arrive را رسیدل. They will arrive at 5 p.m. هغوی به ماښام 5 بجې را ورسیږي. They will arrive at 5 p.m. attack حمله کول. The lion will attack the prey. زمری به په ښکار حمله وکړي. The lion will attack the prey. bottom تل. The treasure is at the bottom of the sea. خزانه د سمندر په تل کې ده. The treasure is at the bottom of the sea. تل یعنی په ویښ کې. clever هوښیار. He is a clever student. هغه یو هوښیار شاګرد دی. He is a clever student. cruel بے رحمه. The king was cruel to his people. پاچا د خپلو خلکو سره بے رحمه و. The king was cruel to his people. پاچا یعنی بادشاه. finally آخر کار. Finally we reached our destination. آخر کار مونږ خپل منزل ته ورسیدو. Finally we reached our destination. hide پټول. She will hide the gift in the box. هغه به ډالۍ په صندوق کې پټه کړي. She will hide the gift in the box. ډالۍ یعنی تحفه. hunt ښکار. They went to hunt for deer. هغوی د ګډې ښکار له لاړل. They went to hunt for deer. lot ډیر. I have lot of work to do. ما لره ډیر کار کول دي. I have a lot of work to do. middle په منځ کې. The ball is in the middle of the field. بال د میدان په منځ کې دی. The ball is in the middle of the field. moment شیبه. wait a moment. یو شیبه صبر وکړه. wait a moment. شیبه یعنی یو لمحه. pleased خوشاله. She was pleased with the gift. هغه ډالۍ ته خوشاله وه. She was pleased with the gift. promise لوس. I promise to be there on time. زه لوس کوم چې په وخت به درشم. I promise to be there on time. reply ځواب. He didn't reply to my message. هغه زما د پیغام ځواب را نه کړو. He didn't reply to my message. safe خوندي. خوندي یعنی محفوظ. She is safe at home. هغه کور کې خوندي ده. She is safe at home. Trick, چال. He played a trick on his friend. هغه خپل ملګري سره چال وکړو. He played a trick on his friend. Well, ښه. She is doing well in her studies. هغه په خپله پړایه کې ښه ده. She is doing well in her studies.